In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete your Typeform account in just a few simple steps. Maybe you have finished your project, or perhaps you are just looking to switch to a different platform altogether. Whatever your reason might be, the process is actually quite straightforward if you know where to look. To get started, you will need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Typeform website. From there, go ahead and log in to your account using your standard credentials. Once you have successfully logged in and find yourself on the main dashboard, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see your profile alias icon sitting right there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up a small drop-down menu with various options. From that list, you want to select the option that says Account Settings. This will take you to your primary profile management page. Now that you are on the Profile section, you are going to want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Right there at the bottom, you will see a prominent red button that says Delete My Account. It stands out fairly well, so you should not have any trouble finding it. After you click that button, a confirmation screen will appear to make sure this is really what you want to do. At this point, you will be required to enter your account password one last time to verify your identity and ensure the security of your data. Additionally, Typeform will ask you to select a reason for leaving from a provided list. This is just for their internal feedback purposes. Once you have typed in your password and chosen your reason, click the final confirmation to permanently delete your account. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you have backed up any important data before finishing. That is all there is to it. Your account is now gone and you are all set. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial today. If you found this helpful, please feel free to check out our other videos.